大家好, hi guys, welcome to Learn Chinese with Abdul and you are at vocabulary development section. We are at day 11 of HSK 1 vocabulary. Let's quickly check up till now what words we have added in our vocabulary. Just a quick review. Day 1. 我,我们,你,你们,他,他,他们,这,那 Day 2. 家,爸爸,妈妈,哥哥,弟弟,姐姐,妹妹,男朋友,女朋友 Day 3. 儿子,女儿,漂亮,老公,老婆,老板,老师,认识 Day 4. 先生,小姐,医生,医院,学生,学校,学习,同学,人 Day 5. 大,小,小狗,小猫,很好,不太好,有,没有,爱 Day 6. 开,来,去,读,看,听,说,吃饭,睡觉 Day 7. 书,电影,电视,电脑,电话,杯子,桌子,椅子,东西 Day 8. 商店,饭店,书店,水果店,出租车,打电话,名字,钱,衣服 Day 9. 水,水果,苹果,米饭,菜,茶,喜欢,多,少 Day 10. 天气,日,冷,下午,下雨,上午,中午,下午,分钟,时候 And now we are at day 11. If you want to learn the previous vocabulary, the links are in the description. You can directly go and get more practice out there. So today's first word is 天 天 天 It's a first tone. 天 天 means day. Number 2. 今天 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 means today. Number 3. 明天 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 means tomorrow. Number 4. 昨天昨天昨天昨天 means yesterday. So 天 means day, 今天 means today, 明天 means tomorrow, 昨天 means yesterday. Number 5. 现在现在现在现在 means right now. Number 6. 年年年年 means year. Number 7. 月月月月 means month. Number 8. How means date or number. Now remember please, we have already studied one how that was with third tone, that means good. But this how is with fourth tone, so we will speak like how, and it means the date or the number. Last word of today's vocabulary, 星期. 星期. 星期 means week. This is all from today's lecture. Let me repeat the words which we have added today. 天, 今天, 明天, 昨天, 现在, 年, 月, 号, 星期. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you guys like my effort. Please like and share with other friends, and see you guys tomorrow at day 12. Please don't give up. 再见.
Thanks for watching this video. If you like my efforts, please share this video with others. Subscribe our channel and press bell icon. See you soon. Goodbye.